of Hazrat Abu Ayyub al-Ansari is situated at Istanbul? When did Hazrat Hamza embraced Islam? Fifth Nabi. When Hazrat Imam Shafi was born in Gaza 150 AH Hijri. Some computer MCQs. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Who is the father of internet? Vint Cerf. Which technology is used in compact discs? Laser. CD-ROM stand for compact disc read only memory. ALU is arithmetic logic unit. Dash is called the father of modern digital computer and computer science. Alan Turing. Microprocessors as switching devices are for dash generation computers. Fourth generation. Important MCQs. How many times order for zakat came in Quran? 32 times. In which Hijri year Hajj was made compulsory? 9 Hijri. To stay at Arafat is farz. Muzdalfa is situated between Mina and Arafat. When did the event of the social boycott of Banu Hashim take place? 7th year of Nabwi. When five prayers became farz? 10th Nabi. गज़वात और जंगों की तारीफ़ याद करने का तरीका. ए से गज़वा अबवा यकुम हिजरी. बी से बदर 2 हिजरी. 3 यू से ओहद 3 हिजरी. आर से रजी 4 हिजरी. काफ के से खंदक 5 हिजरी. अहज़ाब 5 हिजरी. एच से सुलह हुदैबिया 6 हिजरी. एम से मोता 7 हिजरी. एच से हुनैन 8 हिजरी. टी से तबूक 9 हिजरी. क़याम पाकिस्तान के बाद पाकिस्तान के हिस्से में 3 रेडियो स्टेशन आए, लाहौर, ढाका और क्वेटा में. 14 अगस्त 1948 को कराची स्टेशन का क़याम अमल में आया और इसी साल रेडियो स्टेशन रावलपिंडी का इफ्तिताह हुआ. इस्लामाबाद सिटी इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ रेडियो पाकिस्तान. Amnesty International is an organization for protection of human rights. Electron discovered by J. Thomson. Pakistan Foreign Policy Dilemma was written by Shamshad Ahmad. IPE stand for International Political Economy. Who was the first president of Tunisia? Habib Bourguiba. Who became first female Lieutenant General of Pakistan Army? Nigar Johar. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was buried in which of the following city? Palestine. Which prophet is called Najiullah? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Error from computer hardware and software can be identified and removed by process debugging. Which mosque was ordered by Allah to destroy Zirar? Cloud Gate is located in Chicago. Antonym of haggard is plump. The words deepest. The Mariana Trench is located in Pacific Ocean. Which prophet was declared Adam II? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. 6 days Arab-Israel war won by Israel. Who is known as father of geometry? Euclid. Some important dates to remember. Red Cross in 1863. ILO formed on 1919. World Bank 1994. IMF 1940. World Bank 1944. IMF 1944. UNO formed on 24 October 1945. FAO 1945. Arab League 1945. UNESCO 1945. WHO 1948. NATO 1949. CETO created in 1954, dissolved in 1977. CENTO created in 1955, dissolved in 1979. IAEA 1957. OPEC 1960. Law of independent assortment was given by Mendel. HP processing of fruit and vegetables mean high pressure. Which of the following is least pollutant gas? Natural gas. Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi was born in Balakh, Afghanistan. The sugar present in milk is lactose. Abdul Karim, known as Little Karim, was mountaineer. First governor of East Bengal after independence, Frederick Bourne. Third war countries mean developing. First working laser developed by Theodore Maiman. US dropped atomic bomb in Second World War. Japan. sedimentary rocks or porous which Muslim majority areas was given to India to accommodate for access to Kashmir. Gurdaspur. Which one of the following planet is nearest to the Earth? Mercury. Kuna is official state news agency of which country? Kuwait. Which is the first Gulf nation to complete FATF conditions? UAE. Who among the following Mughal rulers was a contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of England? Akbar the Great. The largest volcano of the world is Mauna Loa. Errors from computer hardware and software can be identified and removed by process debugging. Who is popularly known as father of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. The intersection of a column and a row in a spreadsheet is called cell. The amount of oxygen required to store your body to its normal resting level of metabolic function is called EPOC. Who among the following accepted Deen-e-Ilahi? Birbal. Islamic calendar starting is relating to Hijrat Medina. Name the tribe of Hazrat Halima Sadiya, the foster mother of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Banu Saad. Objective resolution was presented in the Constitution Assembly by Liaquat Ali Khan. First nuclear atomic bomb was tested in New Mexico. Which gas does a photocopier machine produce? Ozone. Scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. Which of the following is not a portable device? Desktop computer. The printed output from a computer is called hard copy. Hazrat Usman al-Hajwiri was Sufi saint of Punjab. Cell wall of plant cells is formed of cellulose.